In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a PDF of photos on mobile. Okay, so I just want to see if I have the Google Docs app. Okay, open up Google Docs, we'll get it from the App Store. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a new document. Okay, so we want photos only, so I'm going to tap on that plus, and I want an image, and I'm going to go from photos. Okay, I'm going to select the first photo. There it is. I'm just going to create two spaces, then hit plus again. Then I'm going to select image from photos, select the second image. Okay, and then tap on the tick mark. Then what I'm going to do, it's now saving. Okay, then what you can do is you can go share and export, and then you want to go to share, not share. You want to go to share and export, save as, and you want a PDF document. Click on OK. That's just going to save it real quick. And here it is, essentially a PDF of images. Okay, then what you can do is you can download it by tapping download. And you can see it has been downloaded. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to this channel.